Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I'm going to be showing you some really cute Dollar Tree DIYs for Valentine's Day that you can do in 5 minutes or less. So we're going to get right started. So first I have this little love sign from the Dollar Tree and some craft paper, and I'm just going to basically clip off the string or the jute and trace around it with a pen or pencil. And all you're going to need for this is whatever craft paper of your choice. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day, it says love. And I'm just going to cut this out, and then I'm going to get out my Mod Podge. If you have glue, that would be fine, or even a glue stick, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my little sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using Mod Podge, and you want to put some on, but you don't want it to be too generous. Now that I've added that, I'm just going to simply add on my cutout with my craft paper. And guys, this is the simplest, easiest DIY ever. I'm just going to smooth it down into place and you're done. I don't need to put anything on this. It stands up independently because it's sort of thick, and I think it's so stinking cute and so quick. Something that you can do really easy with children and under 5 minutes. I love it. For the next one, I have these really cute little, those little heart candies that you have, and I have some craft paper. Some I got from the Dollar Tree, some's left over from last year, and these are already thick and already painted, so this is going to be super easy. I'm just going to pick out 2 of these colors of my choice that I think would contrast. This one's really cute. It's like little tiny disco balls in a pink, and I think it's so adorable, and it's sort of giving me like that Barbie vibe. All you're going to do is just pick out your craft paper of your choice. I'm going with these. I like the contrasting colors, and I'm just basically tracing it just like I did previously. So simple, so easy. I'm going to cut these out, apply Mod Podge after I cut both of them out. And guys, I can think of so many different patterns of craft paper that you can use for this that would be so adorable for Valentine's Day. And just apply your Mod Podge. This one would be really probably great with a glue stick. Add on your cutout craft paper. You've traced it, it's going to fit perfectly, and just smoothed it down. You just want to make sure you get out all those little bubbles if you have any. Make sure it's really neatly applied. And now I'm going to actually stick these 2 together. They're already painted, so I don't have to paint the sides or the edges. I think it's so cute. I'm just seeing where I want it to be when I add my hot glue, so that way it's standing up independently. I don't have to add any little puzzle piece games on the back of it. I want it to look neat and clean. I'm going to be adding all of these to my coffee bar for Valentine's Day, and so that's what I'm doing these crafts for. But guys, these are so simple and easy, and I'm just pressing it down where I applied the hot glue. And honestly guys, another craft, another 5 minutes, and it looks so cute. This looks like something you would purchase in the store, and you can see it's standing up perfectly on its own. It's neat, it's clean. I absolutely love this one, and I love the contrast with those 2 craft papers. You can have so much fun with craft paper, and once again, under 5 minutes. So we're going to step into the next one, where I'll be using some of that leftover craft paper that you just saw on the previous DIY, and I'm probably going to add in this little one. I love the contrast with the black and white. I think it's so cute and whimsical, and yeah, I'm going to definitely be using that one. And we're going to be doing some little hearts again. Now, I already cut out a little template that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to trace around that, and guys, this one is going to be so much fun when I show you what we're going to do. So I actually going to be folding this, and guys, making it into like an accordion shape where you fold it a little bit and then you turn it over, fold the other side, and you just continue that till you get to the very end. And I'm going to do that with all of my hearts. You can make as many of these as you like. This is so quick, easy, and fun, and I'm just showing you how to do it sort of slowly. When I'm doing this, I'm whipping through these and folding them super fast, and when you get done, you want it to have, like I said, an accordion shape to it. Next, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with some old wine or olive oil corks and some little skewers from the Dollar Tree. So everything I'm using, as you know, is from the Dollar Tree. And just going to be doing that folding with all of my little hearts that I made. I love the colors, and here's the fun part. You're gonna get a hole punch, and yes guys, the Dollar Tree has these also. Don't buy these in a craft store, you'll pay so much more. And you're just going to make some holes. You want to make sure that you're going down the center of each of your hearts, and so that way it's nice and neat and clean, because we're going to be stringing or pushing our skewer through these little holes, and it's going to be so cute when you see how we're going to make these. So now with the corks, I just want to go ahead and start cutting those. If you don't have any wine corks, you can borrow some from a friend, and you're just going to go ahead and string these skewers through your actual paper hearts. I love the way these look, and you're going to make sure that you have the pointed edge or end of the skewer that, like I said, Dollar Tree guys. You're gonna make sure that that's pointing towards the bottom. That's the part that we're going to be placing in our cork, and you want to move your heart up and down for the height that you want. I wanted mine to be different heights, and you're just going to repeat punching your holes into the folded edge of your hearts in the center, and then once again string through your skewer. Now here's the fun part. I've already chopped my little corks. You just want to make sure they're completely flat, and now you're just going to go ahead and push your pointed edge or pointed end for your skewer into the actual cork. Now you can see there's some of that skewer on top. You're simply going to cut that off. Very simple, for the height that you want. You can do them different heights, you can do them all the same height or all the same color. I just chose to do different heights and colors and patterns for variety, and I think these came out so cute. Next one, I'm going to be using this leftover cone that was a cutting mat from the Dollar Tree, and these hearts, everybody sees these hearts in the Dollar Tree. Pick up a pack of those and make yourself a cute little heart cone tree. Guys, I'm going to be doing this a little bit slow to see how I'm doing it, but it's so simple. You will need a hot glue gun, so I wouldn't recommend doing this with a very small child, but yeah, it's a fun craft for families, all of these. This one I would probably have an adult come in the room, but guys, I'm going to be using this also on my coffee bar for Valentine's Day for a few weeks. And I don't usually decorate for Valentine's Day, but I said, I'm feeling crafty. This will be a good way to start the year with you guys. I know you guys love it when I do some crafting. So yeah, I wanted to make some fun little Valentine's Day crafts. I'm just showing you how I'm going around my cone with these little hearts. You can do whatever color pattern you want, maybe all red or all pink or all white. I chose to go with a layer of each and just go up the cone respectively. This took about a little over 5 minutes, I'm going to be honest with you, because I was doing it sort of a weird way, and then I just decided to add the hot glue to the heart, and I was done within 30 seconds. So guys, I absolutely love this one, and it'll still take you 5 minutes or less, so that's a great thing. For the cone, you can use cardstock. I just happen to have that left over, and when you get to the very top of it, you're just going to go ahead and put the last heart on the top, pinch it down, you're all done. And guys, is this not so cute? I think I made mine a little bit tall, but that's fine because my coffee bar has plenty of room for me to place it. I think it's so cute. For the next one, you're gonna grab one of these little terracotta pots for planters from the garden section in the Dollar Tree. This one I previously used, so it's pre-painted. Disregard that, you could just use it the regular color or paint it if you want. I'm taking a little bit of foam from the Dollar Tree and cutting it to fit, and I'm adding in some of these cute little heart picks and just pressing them in. And guys, that's basically it for this DIY. You can do this in about a minute. Grabbed a little bit of my reindeer moss, again from the Dollar Tree. And like I said, you can either paint it white if you want, or you could just leave the pot just a terracotta color. But this was such a simple, easy, fun DIY, and it took about a minute, guys, like literally. And I absolutely think it's so cute. So for the next one, I have one of these signs that I painted around the holidays. Just didn't have the time with work and everything to get it done. So I'm going to use it now, but it's just going to be cutting off that jute string rather, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, this one's a little unique and fun. I had this really pretty hearts bag. It's like a gift bag with these pretty satin ribbons and this gorgeous heart in like a really pastel pink and a glittery red and white undertones and gold. And I'm going to use the glittery side to do a paper craft again, which I think is such a cute idea. I don't remember who gave it to me, so I didn't want to use it and re-gift something in it because it's so pretty. So I figured I would put this on some type of board or something and make a really cute little decor or wall hanger. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to once again trace it out and then cut it. Now for this, you can probably use a glue stick and that way it dries instantly, but it's craft paper, but it's a different type of paper. It's a paper like a gift bag, but it dried rather quickly with my Mod Podge, so I was really surprised. As long as it's done in under 5 minutes, that's what this video is all about. You're just going to smooth it out now that you have it cut in the shape desired. And guys, that's it. Now I'm going to take that really pretty ribbon that the gift bag had on it, and I'm going to use that to hang this up. I think it's perfect. I think it's pretty. And as far as decorating it, I was going back and forth as how I wanted to sort of decorate the front. Would I embellish it? Would I leave it the way it is? I really didn't want it too overdone. So I think this is cute because Valentine's Day can really be campy. So I started playing with those little hearts with the glitter and I thought it was too much. So I just added the black ribbon and I think it turned out perfect. It's not overdone. I'm really not into decorating for Valentine's Day, but I really wanted to do something fun to start the new year. So guys, I hope that you like all of the DIYs I did today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please comment below. I love to read your comments. Let me know if you're going to be trying any of these really easy, quick crafts for Valentine's Day. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing, and I hope you do. And thank you all for watching.